In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Rob Booker ADX Breakout in TradingView Pro. We'll keep this really simple and straightforward so you can follow along in real time on your own screen. Before we begin, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work for this walkthrough. Once you're on your chart, look toward the top of the TradingView interface. You'll see a toolbar with different options like indicators, alerts, and more. What we're looking for is the section where TradingView groups indicators and strategies together. Depending on your layout, this is usually accessed by clicking the Indicators button or the Indicators and Strategies option. When that panel opens, you'll notice there are different tabs or categories. One of those is called Strategies. Go ahead and click on the Strategies tab. This is where all of TradingView's built-in trading strategies are listed, along with any that you may have added or favorited previously. With the Strategies tab selected, you'll see a list you can scroll through, along with a search bar at the top. In the search field, start typing Rob Booker ADX Breakout. As you type, TradingView will filter the list and the strategy should appear in the results. Once you see Rob Booker ADX Breakout in the list, simply click on it one time. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically apply the strategy to your current chart. You should now see additional information displayed, usually including entry and exit signals, as well as a strategy tester panel at the bottom that shows performance metrics like net profit, win rate, and drawdown. Take a moment to look over how it appears on your chart. You can customize the settings for the strategy by hovering over its name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you'll be able to adjust inputs such as lengths, thresholds, or other parameters that affect how the ADX breakout signals are generated. If you're new to this, it can be helpful to start with the default settings and only make small changes once you understand what each input does. After you've added it and are happy with how it looks, remember that you can save this chart layout so the Rob Booker ADX breakout strategy loads automatically next time. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet, use the link in my description to sign up and unlock all the features you see in this tutorial.